Vice Admiral Retired Ahmed Said, Director General Lima, Vice Admiral Retired Khwaja Ghazanfar Hussain, Director General Bahria University, Honorable guest, distinguished speakers, esteemed participants, and members of the fisheries community, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am deeply honored to address you on the significant occasion of World Fisheries Day 23, marked by the theme Conservation Through Collaboration, Developing Fishing Communities. Today, I am privileged to share this movement with you, a gathering that highlights the heartbeat of our celebration. The vibrant and resilient fishing communities along the Pakistan coast. These communities are not merely guardians of the sea, they embody the essence of our cultural heritage, preserving traditions that have been cherished and passed down through generations. As we come together to observe World Fisheries Day, it is only fitting that we shine a spotlight on these communities, placing them at the forefront of our discussion. In Pakistan, we are blessed with a coastline stretching over 1,000 kilometers and an expansive, exclusive economic zone covering 290,000 square kilometers, including the extended continental shelf. This endowment positions Pakistan with significant potential for the development of the blue economy. Our marine fishing activities are concentrated along the coast of Sindh and Balochistan, constituting 30% and 70% of Pakistan's total coastal area, respectively. For periods, fishing has been a vital source of sustenance for communities along the Indus River and the Arabian Sea. Our water harbor approximately 70 commercial fish species. The fisheries sector not only significantly contributes to our economy, but also form the backbone of the livelihoods of our coastal communities. Seafood products ranging from fish and shrimps to crab and squid, including frozen and fresh seafood, canned goods, and value-added items like breaded fish fillet, find their way to international markets. Our key export destinations include the United States, Europe, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, and South Korea. Remarkably, Pakistan's seafood export reached an all-time high, hitting US dollars 496 million in the years 22-23. Yet the potential for growth is substantial. Access to international markets, adherence to quality standard, and the integration of technologies such as fishing crafts equipped with modern fishing tools such as GPS tracking, sonar, and data analytics can enhance fishing efficiency, traceability, and resource management. Investing in research and development for new species, improved breeding techniques, and sustainable aquaculture practices is paramount. Additionally, there lies ample room for expansion in the processing and value addition sector, encompassing filleting, freezing, canning, and production of various fish-based products. Pakistan's fisheries and aquaculture sector are pivotal in providing livelihood for the coastal communities and ensuring the nation's food security. While challenges such as overfishing, habitat degradation, and regulatory gaps persist, concerned efforts are underway to enhance governance, including the implementation of licensing and environmental impact assessments. By embracing sustainable practices and strategic investment, we can unlock the full potential of Pakistan's fisheries and aquaculture sector, fostering both economic prosperity and the well-being of our coastal population. In order to deal with the challenges, I believe that the events such as today's seminar play a vital role to discuss the issue and suggest policy gaps. I appreciate NIMA in this regard and ensure that Government of Sindh will fully support to implement the recommendations coming out of this session. Thank you for joining in this commemoration. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.